Mikko Rantanen, JT Compher, and Artturi Lehkonen. These guys have picked up the slack without the captain in there. Gabe Landeskog and, of course, Nathan MacKinnon.
Played for the Rangers last year, and they're defending well.
This one floated through the traffic, picked up by Cole Smith. A wicked shot and a good save by Georgiev. First shot of the game. Now to the middle. Josi, I beg your pardon, Johnson not the captain, but one of the leaders on the team for sure. Landeskog being the captain. Josi keeps that one in. Here comes Philip Forsberg. He'll fire away. Georgiev was ready. He's made a nice offensive contribution in both games. Here's Cale Makar. Dangerous skater. Here he comes. Fires it wide. Rebound. Tapped towards the net. He tried to bank it off the goaltender. Did Rantanen. It didn't go. And finally, Nashville gets out of trouble. Duchesne has a chance to attack on offense. Duchesne feeds the trailer. Here's Josi. He hit the post. And the puck goes out of play.
They're getting up the ice so much quicker now. And Matt Duchesne, again, the confidence is there. He finds Josi. That's helped him get those win columns as well.
Face-off one. Girard will test Saros from the outside. A pad save made. Jeremy Lauzon. Good screen provided in front by Forsberg. He's working the net front. Another one. Forsberg looks for the rebound. Great save, Georgiev.
Get it low to high. It just opens up so much more space. And having Parssinen and Novak on the flanks, they're doing a great job there. And you got the net front traffic. But I really like those guys in front, the job they're doing and the movement on the outside.
Face-off win. Here's Parson. Forsberg now with the slot. Here it is. Rebound loose. They score! It's Ryan Johansson! Third straight game with a power play goal for Nashville. And it's 1-0 Predators.
Get possession off the draw. Get it down low and just get it to the net. Josi just fires it to the net. You have two net front threats right there. Like Johansson tips that. Novak's in front, and then Johansson gets the rebound and puts it right under the defenseman, back of the net. That is textbook stuff right now.
Sissons finding the open man. Carrier has a lane to the net. Smith going with him. He's got Cole Smith. A great save! And the rebound off the backboard. Another great chance. Carrier dealing. Smith denied by Georgiev.
Unreal. Such a big win, and old memories, good memories, guys.
The beginning of a big rivalry. And the snowstorm that day was really bad. People were calling, saying, is the game still on? Doing the job defensively and getting excellent goaltending from Georgiev. Nashville's had the heat on him, but Georgiev has been very good. 20 shots already for Nashville. Time ticking down. Backdoor feed. Duchesne. He scores! A beautiful cross-ice pass, and Duchesne roofed it. 4 straight games with a goal for Duchesne. It's 2-0.
Look at Duchesne, though. You're stretching up the zone. You're getting the killers moving around. Look at the hustle by Niederreiter to keep that puck in. Glass head up and just perfect pass on the tip of Matt Duchesne, and just the confidence. He's going up under the bar. Georgiev's got the low part of the net covered.
But he misfired, and it's a 3-on-2 back the other way. Rantanen looking cross-eyed. Duchesne gets stopped by Saros. He read it like a book.
Nice to see Johansson get a goal tonight. He almost might have played a season low last game, but it's creating competition with him on the team, and that's a good thing.
With possession, down low, Meyer. Great save by Saros, and he collects the rebound. Meyer was zooming in, challenging the Predator D.
Kind of a challenge for a goaltender where you're sitting watching the play at the other end, and he's just razor sharp, and he just controls that rebound, sticks to his pad.
Morgan comes in. Morgan hits the trailer, a backdoor, great save, Saros! Trying to get away from Lauzon, cuts to the middle, turns around and shoots. Another save for Saros, rebound kicks way in the air. Niederreiter for Lauzon. Lauzon trying to get to Fabro. Nashville needs a line change, that long change, and Fabro can't get it up the boards. It's taken back, Rantanen, he hit the crossbar. No, it went in. It went in the roof. And so, the Avalanche continue the roll, and they break through to cut the lead in half. The Predators just couldn't get it down the ice.
Extremely sharp during that power play. And right here, you got the puck on your stick. Turned over, and Rantanen right under the bar. What a shot by Mikko Rantanen. Look at that. There's only a sliver, a little triangle over the left shoulder of Saros, and Rantanen, the last guy on the ice that you want to give that puck to. the saves UC Saros makes, and it's how easy he makes it look is what just blows my mind.
The instincts on that play. If he turns the other way, he shovels it right into the net. Working down low, Parssinen trying to hit the veteran, Colton Sissons. Sissons has it, sent it to the slot. Smith shot, point blank save, Georgiev. Smith back up. Granlund wiped out in the corner. Forsberg trying to get it. Myers down low, 2-on-1, man open. Another save by Saros!
The amount of action he's faced here in the last 2 periods is absolutely crazy. Almost 2 games worth here. And Saros just closes that hole. He's trying to open Saros up here, right through the 5 hole. Look at it, this stick discipline. He keeps his structure.
Trennan had that initial screen. Gets it to Johansson. Now Duchesne from the dot, fading back to the point. Ekholm has a lane. A drive! Save made by Georgiev. Myers to the wing, Newhook. Burst to speed. Save made. The rebound stopped by Saros. He left the rebound out there. Niederreiter around the boards for Carrier. Off the backboard. McDonough, quick play to the net. Rebound loose. Niederreiter 2 drives and then knocked down from behind. Great save by Georgiev.
See what happened here. McDonough just gets it to the net. Rebound, and here comes Niederreiter. Takes a whack, and then let's see what Engelland does here. Cross check. I don't know, it didn't look that hard, but he did get him in the low back. Let's see. Oh, yeah. He gave him a good one there.
From up high. That one bounces off of Niederreiter. Picked up Rantanen. Interchanging, Lehkonen into the net, and they score! It's tipped! The Avs have tied it. They just kept pressing, and that time they got the bounce. Comfort kept winning faceoffs, and it looked like he got the tip.
They've had a ton of different offense, and there's Rantanen taking that puck. Leaves it up to the point. Comfort, this is going way wide. Lehkonen right there just floats it wide, and Comfort's got that stick out. Guys practice this after every single practice. Shooting wide and tipping it back on net. And look at that. That is absolutely picture perfect. Comfort right in front of Saros to tie the game.
We got a brand new game with 4:50 to go. Nashville coming back. They've got a 2-on-1. A shot by Granlund. He hit the post!
Look at Novak, head up. He knows right now where he's going, but he sets it up, gets it deep, and a bite.
Still 7 seconds. Time for one more play. Makar, Rantanen the drive. Save made. Rebound thrown back to the net. And there's the horn. So Nashville gets to OT. Sissons will take the initial draw. McDonough and Carrier with him. It's one back for Makar. Makar, Comfort, Rantanen. Usually you play 3-on-3 here. Here comes Matt Duchesne. Duchesne all the way in. Tries to cut in front. Cut off there by Georgiev. Nothing to shoot at. Josi with speed. Slides it towards the net. Save made Georgiev. Well played by Rodriguez. And now it's a 2-on-1. Granlund sprinting back to help. Sent across. And they score! Girard wins it. The Avalanche come all the way back, and the former Predator, Sammy Girard, put it away.
Yeah, and this is tough right here, and you can see get caught behind the net. Josi and Granlund, and then Rodriguez with a beautiful pass. Watch, he's going to look shot right here, but he has every intention going over to Girard, and he just gets it over.